RC Fishing World, RC Fishing Boat, Radio Ranger unboxing. I have my other one right here, the Master Caster. I decided to get another one. Just gonna unbox it for you.
Get in?
Tanner, I'm trying to make a video here. Wait, go out.
Watching this video.
Another box.
Bum,
If it'll come out.
bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Deflated. Bum, 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 bum.
Won't come out.
You need somebody to hold the
Here,
box.
let me just pop it in the bottom. Then it'll have a little stuff.
Get in?
Back in my collection.
Who's Dylan?
Tanner, you're not allowed in here.
Stop. Little brother's screwing off. There it is. On
Whoa.
picture.
Whoa, that's big.
Get back. Get back, Evan. Be careful.
Nice. The video.
Well, 380 type racing motor, which produces tremendous power. It is 933 millimeters or 36.6 inches. Speed along, Radio Ranger, RCFishingWorld.com. Get quite a few different RC fishing boats.
It's upstairs. Boys, what are you
I think
doing?
7.
You got a new boat? A boat?
Ow.
Yep, got a new boat. Just sit down right there. Sit down right there. Don't move.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit.
Sit down.
Oh, it's yellow.
Awesome.
Sit.
Get back.
On your butt.
There's the RC fishing pole. And it's packaged there.
Oh, see fishing jet ski.
Hey guys, get back.
Take them.
No, that they don't carry those.
Awesome.
Get back. Get back. All the way back. Sit down. You want stickers? Shh. Tanner, I know you're just as excited as I am, but it's kind of annoying.
Well, not that.
I need to get that.
Sit right up in front of my dresser.
Whoa.
No touching
There
it.
it is.
Ever.
Whoa.
Damn it, you can't touch 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 it.
Batteries are right there.
Oh, thanks, Evelyn.
And you see how there's a big battery right there. A big battery's right there. And there's batteries for it.
Yep. Go back. Sit down, please.
The big battery fell. You want to
Go sit
hold?
back down, please.
Sit, zip. Everybody.
There she is. Sit down.
Your mom
Sit
said-
down.
Your mom said
What? Okay, I'll be right there. There she is. Are you a ranger? I gotta go right now. Go help my dad.
Can I have this?
No,
Oh, can I have this?
no.
You need
You can't have anything, Evan.
Oh.
put the battery in real quick so you can hear the engine.
Awesome. I want to hear the engines. Fast. Do it fast, because I want to hear the engines.
4 days of waiting. I'm finally gonna hear the engines.
Where's the controller?
It's right in here.
That's a tough.
That's a big boat. Maybe we should measure how big it is in that one. That's the battery.
Okay. Guys, can you just sit down? Let me just put the batteries in real quick and go help my dad, and I'll be right back. Okay.
Be quiet.
Guys, please be cool. Okay, just put the batteries in. Like,
Don't
listen
get
to
beat
the
up by a 2-year-old again.
dual 380 movies. I mean, movies. Motors.
He's older than one way.
That will cut off our fingers.
Sounds pretty good to me.
How is it going to sound in the water?
It's gonna sound like a whole bunch of fishies getting their lips ripped off. That's what it's gonna sound. See you in my next video. Got this boat from RC Fishing, www.rcfishingworld.com. Home with a remote control fishing pole. rcfishingworld.com. Bye.